Welcome everyone, and we are here to make a very fun pop-up card today. So, in your Take-'em kit, you will get 2 pieces of paper, 2 pine trees, and a little gingerbread person. And then you will need some scissors, some glue, a ruler, and a pin. All right, so first, let's get started. We're gonna go ahead and take our white piece of cardstock and just fold it in half. And pay close attention, make sure your corners line up as much as you can, and then get a good solid fold. Make sure it's flat, because this is going to be your card. Now, we're gonna go ahead and cut out the little pop-up shapes. And so with our ruler, we're gonna go ahead and start on the left. We're gonna measure 1 inch from the left. And I'll make a little mark. And then after that, we're gonna make another mark, a 1/2 inch, right? So we move an inch in, mark a 1/2 inch. And then we're gonna keep doing that. We're gonna start over at this last mark. We'll move in an inch, make a mark, a 1/2 inch, make a mark. And then one more time, we'll move in an inch, make a mark, a 1/2 inch, make a mark. And then there should be, yep, from your last mark, another inch to the end. So now we have 3 evenly spaced 1/2 inch marks, right? And so the left and the right one, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna measure from the bottom, and it's gonna be about 3/4 of an inch is what we want. So we'll measure 3/4 of an inch up on both of these marks. And then let's just connect them like that. And I wanna do it on the other side too. So start at the bottom, 3/4 of an inch, 3/4 of an inch. And then we'll mark that over. And then the middle one, we'll go, let's do an inch and 3/4. We'll do it a little bit taller. And again, just kind of connect them at the top. There we go. So now the 2 on the sides should be about the same. And then the one in the middle is a little bit higher. And we're going to cut it out. So we just want to cut the vertical lines, all right? Don't cut the connector at the top, just the vertical lines. So we'll make our cuts. There we go. And now we're ready. We're gonna take those, we're gonna unfold it, and those 3 little slices we're gonna fold in like that, and then fold down and push down on our card again. Now, when we open our card, we've got our 3 little spots for our pop-ups. So now you can go ahead and bring those pop-ups in and get your glue. Okay, and we'll go ahead and we'll attach our pine trees. And so I just put a little bit of glue on this bottom part and stick it onto the right pop-up, like so, all right? And then I'll do the same for the other side, just a little bit of glue down on the bottom, stick it to the left pop-up. Okay, and now we'll go ahead and take our gingerbread person, put a little bit of glue on them, and we'll put our gingerbread person here in the middle, right? And now let it dry for a little bit, but then once it dries, you can close it and open it up again. And now we're almost done. We'll go ahead and take our red piece of paper, fold our card down, and we're gonna put it at the very bottom of the red piece of paper, like so. And then just fold the red piece of paper over. And try and match up those corners. Okay, and now we'll just glue the paper together. So we'll just do a couple of lines of glue here on the back and press our paper down. And flip it over. Do the same thing to the other side. Some lines of glue. Press our paper down. And now we've got our cool little card. Now if you don't like some of the white edges, you can go ahead and just do a little bit of trimming so that everything looks nice and smooth here. And you don't see those little white edges pop out, and it doesn't bother me too much, but you can do a little bit of trimming and it looks real nice. And then you can just take your card and decorate it and make it look nice and special and give it to someone to celebrate this cold weather or a winter holiday or just to have a fun time. All right, thanks for watching. Hope you have a good one.